So it's 4:30 a.m. That's when we hit the street. Mauser stuff. He's over there. He's doing a little scouting since he got up to take a piss. Seeing if anybody's awake over at the main camp. And if they didn't post a guard, then it's time for yeah. At least the prep. So, Mauser's return. No guard. You're gonna need a knife anyway.
Do you have a pocket knife?
Yes. Bad shit. Bad shit. Yeah,
So you read
read the instructions on the back. Oh, 1 foot 30 seconds. Yeah. The mortars are underneath. You could splice those off of them or something. I don't know. This is the prototype of the nightingale device.
I left my tape in my car.
What kind of tape?
It was Gorilla Tape.
Yeah. My tape's in your car too.
You know what? That could be part of the mission.
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna reek like this stuff. Oh well. Plausible deniability. This guy always stinks.
Yo, this nigga stinks.
Oh, come on, dude. I can't put that on YouTube.
Yeah, no. You just beep it out. I don't know. This friend stinks. Splicing the word friend.
I splice in Brazilian.
Yes.
Hold on. Shine your light at me again? In my face? Shine it at me.
This is just a whole bit.
Okay. Oh, there's lots more where that came from.
And that was on wet ground that worked on.
That's fucking beast. Hopefully no one wakes up at 5 a.m. for no reason. I doubt it.
Just like us. Just bad sleepers.
It seemed like most guys were snoring.
Yeah. I heard a few snores. Not as many as I wanted.
Yeah, I mean, everybody there is sleep apnea.
Yes.
Literally everyone. So. Oh my. Oh, dearie, dearie, dear. The monster.
I am the monster on the hill. And we'll light them as we go around too, so they'll all go off like 10 seconds apart.
Felonious Boy Scouts are the most dangerous race on earth.
We're so bad.
Do we do it so well? I guess we'll see.
Dude, we're gonna do it so well. I have confidence in this supreme.
Bad boy shiny toy. You know that I bought it.
I don't think we'll have time to light more than like this.
Yeah. We can always do another one tomorrow night.
Yes. Who's doing this?
Stop.
That'll narrow it down to some.